Hi students, good morning. In last class, we saw the poem Beyond the Universe. We saw first para. In today's class, we will see the next para. Read with me. Fly on to watch the Saturn with its ring and moons. Then he stopped by Jupiter, marveled by its red storms that look like marbles. In last class, we saw that little girl stopped near the red planet Mars, and now she is flying to Saturn. Now she is flying from Mars to Saturn with its ring. Saturn has rings. Saturn has rings. This is the rings. Saturn has rings and moons. Our Earth has one moon and Saturn has 20 moons. So she is watching the rings and the moons in the Saturn. After she fly to Saturn, she now stop near the Jupiter. She stops near the Jupiter. And she was marveled. What is the meaning for marveled? Marveled means feeling of admiration or amazement. Wondered, wondering the beautiness of Jupiter. Okay, then I stopped by the Jupiter, marveled by its red storms that look like marbles. This is the red storm. Can you see something here? In the Jupiter, this is the red storm. A great red spot with a high pressure. The red storm occurs due to the high pressure. Occurs in Jupiter. Due to the high pressure, there is always a red storm in Jupiter. So she was marveled by the red storm that looked like marbles. What is a marbles? Marbles is a little glass. A little glass of glass or clay used by children to play. A little glass of glass or clay used by children to play. This is marbles. So she was marveled by the red storm that looked like marbles. Shall we move to the next para? Did you understand this para? I will read once again. Fly on towards the Saturn with its ring and moons. Then he stopped by Jupiter, marveled by its red storms that look like marbles. She in the last class we saw that she was standing near the Mars, and now she flies to Saturn. Saturn has rings and it has 20 moons. After she flies to Saturn, she again stopped near the Jupiter. In Jupiter, there is a great red spot. There is a red storm, and she was marveled. She was wondered by the beautiness of Jupiter. Okay, this is what given in the second para. Now we will move to the third para. Hurling through the belt of asteroids, I crossed Uranus without a fuss to Neptune, the blue ice giant. Farther high, I fly beyond the galaxy. Hurling through a belt of asteroids. You can see something here, no? This is an asteroid. Asteroid is a small rocky body. What is an asteroid? Asteroid is a small rocky body. It is also called as a minor planet. Asteroids are also called as minor planets, and most asteroids are found between Jupiter and Mars. And the asteroid belt is found between Jupiter and Mars. You can see gap, right? There is a gap between each planet, and the asteroid belts are found near Mars and Jupiter. Hurling through the belt of asteroids. Hurling, what is the meaning for hurling? Hurling means raising. Raising over the barriers. Raising over the barriers. Raising over the barriers. So she was hurling through the belt of asteroids. After she crossed the asteroid belt, now she crossed the Uranus. What is the planet before Uranus? Saturn is the planet before Uranus. So after she stopped near the Saturn, now she again crossed the Uranus. I crossed Uranus without a fuss. What is the meaning for fuss? A display of unnecessary excitement, activity or interest. She doesn't want to waste this time standing near the Uranus. So she says that she crossed the Uranus without a fuss, without wasting time, without wasting unnecessary time on unnecessary excitement. She moves to the cross the Uranus to Neptune. After she crosses the Uranus, what is the next planet to Uranus? Neptune is the next planet to Uranus. To Neptune, the blue ice giant. This planet is called as the blue ice giant. Farther high, I fly beyond the galaxy. After she crosses the Neptune, she crosses beyond the galaxy. What is a galaxy? A huge collection of gas dust and billions of stars and their solar system. This whole is called as the galaxy. So she want to fly beyond the galaxy. Did you understand the third para? Shall we move to the next para? To meet the creator of this magnificent display, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies. Okay, to meet after she fly beyond the galaxy, she wanted to meet the creator. Who is the creator of the universe? God is the creator of the universe. So she want to meet the God. She want to meet the creator of this magnificent display. Of this magnificent means what? A very beautiful or strong, extremely beautiful. Magnificent means extremely beautiful. What is the meaning for magnificent? Extremely beautiful. So she wanted to meet God who created the entire universe, to take me beyond the Milky Way. She wanted God to take her beyond the Milky Way. This is the Milky Way contains hundreds of billions of stars like our solar. It is a galaxy. Milky Way is also a galaxy. So she wanted the creator to take her beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies. So voyage means journey across the galaxies. This is one galaxy and there are millions of galaxies in the solar system, and she wanted the creator to take her to a voyage to all the galaxies. So students, I hope you understand this poem. You understood this poem. Students, for today's homework, you will try to write the short summary of this poem in your own words. Write in your own words. If there is mistake, no need to worry. I will correct them. Okay. Thank you, students.